Welcome back guys, this is the Insta360 X3 and we're here in the magnificent Palais Garnier, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how easy and quick it is to shoot and edit X3 footage using the Insta360 Mobile App on your phone.
I do love a keyframe and a tiny planet.
You do love a keyframe and a tiny planet.
Let's go.
Let's do it. So first of all we're going to attach the X3 to the Invisible Selfie Stick. Next up we're going to hit record and extend the selfie stick. And Georgie is just going to bring the selfie stick over the top of herself like this. Let's see that from a different angle. Okay, now we're going to attach the X3 to the Insta360 Mobile App. We're going to tap Album and we're going to select the clip we just shot. There it is. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. And the first thing we're going to do is change the aspect ratio. So tap on 9:16 there. We're going to choose 16:9. And then we're going to move the screen like this with our finger to get Georgie in the center. Zoom in a little bit. We're going to tap to add a keyframe. Tap the little plus at the bottom there to add a keyframe. And we're going to choose Linear Plus, and that'll flatten the image out and get rid of that kind of fisheye look. Let's move forward a little bit. Just move the screen again with our finger, keep Georgie in the middle, using that little crosshair. Tap to add another keyframe. Move forward a little bit more. Let's just move right around like this. Tap to add another keyframe. Okay, and let's see how that looks. Should be keeping Georgie in the centre here. Awesome. So we finished our edits. We want to hit export, make sure we're on maximum bitrate, tap the export in the bottom and that'll export straight to our photos. Now because all the editing is non-destructive in the Insta360 app, what we can do is go back into that clip now, delete those keyframes by tapping again. And now let's do some cool effects. So let's just pinch the screen like this to create a kind of tiny planet effect. Tap to add a keyframe there. Okay, move along a little bit. And we'll just move the screen around with our finger like this. Get Georgie centered. Tap to add another keyframe. Okay, so that goes like this. That's looking cool. So let's tap export again, maximum bitrate, and that'll export to our photos. So the end result of those two clips looks like this.
So if you want to grab an X3 for yourself, where can they get one?
Well, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery.
Love it.
Thanks for watching guys.
See you next time.
That's my line.